Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool 6-in-1 tactical knife that has a lot of versatility with this. This would make a great gift, or you're going to keep it for yourself when you see how cool this is. It actually comes in a variety of colors and a nice little sheath that can easily hook onto a belt for quick access onto here. Now, where do we begin? How about the 3.5-inch blade? This actually has a 3.5-inch serrated blade on this with bottle opener. So not only is it a knife, it also is a bottle opener, which is a nice little feature they've added on there. Little button there to kind of help flip that open. So if you have quick access to cutting boxes or whatever the case is, you can easily do that. A couple of really neat features though is this has got a glass breaker on the back. If you kept this in your car as an emergency unit, you can break the glass with this little glass hammer on the back of there. You've got a razor that is in there to cut seat belts, cut ropes. That's a really nice feature. You have in the back of here hidden a little magnesium fire starter stick that you can use the knife and spark to start a fire, which is great, and that magnet's right in there, so that stays in there. And the other end of this actually has a magnetic flashlight. Now you can actually just turn it on, or the whole thing just actually pops out. You've got a little mini flashlight that you can turn on or off right there on the back that just simply magnets right in place. That is really cool, including a separate clip. If you wanted just to clip this on for show, you can easily do that. This would make a great tactical use for around a campfire or for traveling, or keep it in your car so that you can escape in those sticky situations.